Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLAG. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of time, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So all this here may look like a few days worth of time. It's actually just really a couple of hours broken down because this one was halted and it never opened up. So I'm well aware of that, and the point of this video is more so to just kind of map out some areas of support, because who knows where this thing's going to open up. It could open much higher than 1150. It could gap down on the, I don't know where it's going to open, but like I said, because I did trade this one once today, and I will be watching it again on Monday. I'm assuming that's when it's going to open back up. So these are some of the support levels that I'm curious and will be watching. But again, if the price opens well up above, 1150, well, then these levels don't mean that much. But if the price does still open up within the range of 1150 or below, then these levels could certainly, come into play. So the first level of support to keep an eye on, or at least that I'll be watching, is right here at $9. That is the low point of that candle. So right before it did kind of take off and just really, blasted up through 10 and then just kept on chugging. The lowest it did get on that little miniature pullback was right around $9. So that'll be the initial area of support that I'll be watching. Next level after that, not until all the way down here at $6, which really kind of goes to show how crazy this one was today. I get it, that's a $3 difference, but that is just the volatility that this stock displayed today. So that seems like, well, geez, Clay, it could actually get down to $6 relatively quickly is the point, and you would understand if you were watching this one today. So 9 and 6 are the two key levels going forward. I don't think there's much other chart data. I could be lying. Let's just check this out real quick. There is some past data, but there's basically no volume or anything. So I'm just going to kind of consider that all a moot point over there, and just kind of keep it focused on these levels that I've talked about, just because, well, actually the $6 mark does make quite a bit of sense now that I see this. Why do I say that? Well, foundational rule in charting states when levels of resistance are broken. So let's first just establish the fact that $6 resistance, $6 resistance. So when they are broken, they tend to act as support. So a pullback to $6 could definitely produce a nice little bounce. We'll see what happens. Like I said, a lot of speculation. The talk of the town this weekend will just be where's the price going to open up and all that. So we'll see what happens with it, but I know I will be watching it on Monday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.